All right, let's do this. Break one. 18 hobby case, random pairs. Team list is on there. Owner list is on there. I dotted my I's and crossed my T's like 5 times. I want to screw this one up. Time is 11:41 a.m. Central. Good luck, everybody. No snake eyes. Same dice roll for both. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jeremy on top. I think that's Aaron on bottom. 8 please. Alright. 15. We went 7. Hopping over here. We're going 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All anybody wants to know is that 13 spot. Who is lucky number 13? Oh my God, Paul. The random gods smiled on you for once. Now can my break. Can the break gods smile on you? Congrats, Paul. After like having the Washington Nationals combo about 6 times in 17 draft, you were long overdue. Good luck, everybody else with your teams. We went 7 times, 7 times. We're gonna take this down. God, you scared me for a second, Hale. We're done. 11:43. We went live. We went done. All I's dotted, all T's crossed. Good luck, everybody.